Hey Damon, hey Blanca, happy Friday. Hope all is well. Damon, I know we just touched base a couple days ago, but wanted to send you an update video. We are, rocking and rolling here. You probably saw on the outside. This thing is basically painted out, so all we have left on the exterior is gonna be stonework. And then on the inside, you'll see the drywall is done. We've taped, so the next thing is gonna be texture. We'll be texturing the inside here before we do some trim work. So really doing well. It's looking beautiful. I'm gonna go through, I'll shut up and do a little quick walkthrough so you can see everything. But typically, like I told you at time of contract, you'll get these videos Tuesday. That's usually my Friday, and when I'm leaving the office for my weekend. I was out of town this last Tuesday, so I wanted to send one out as soon as I was back in the office. You'll get one, our regularly scheduled programming on Tuesday coming up. So we just were in bedroom 1. Now we're in the full bath. Coat closet here. A nice open study. Dining room and living room. Kitchen here. Half bath. Another coat closet, and where your drop area will be. A beautiful garage here. Again, we're coming along very well in this house. Laundry area just to the left here. And then here is bedroom 2. Here is bathroom number 2. Looking great. And then backyard is looking awesome. Look at that depth, man. Crazy. Looking great. And then here's your bathroom. So we're just doing some outstanding progress here. As time goes on, you're gonna see this start to rock and roll, and the updates, everything's different, right? So it's pretty fun to see. But I wanted to get this over to you. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here. I'm always a call away. And hope all is well, guys. Talk soon.